snow coming down faster than you can shovel? You are about to see the best cordless snow blowers that make winter cleanup quick, quiet, and effortless. In this video, I break down the top performers, why they stand out, and which one is worth your money. Whether you deal with light dustings or heavy drifts, there is a model here that fits your home and your budget. Stick around so you do not miss the one feature everyone overlooks. Ego Power Plus 24-inch electric snowblower. The Ego Power Plus 24-inch electric snowblower is a robust, battery-powered snow thrower that aims to match the power of gas snowblower, but without the noise, fumes, and maintenance issues. It uses two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, sold separately, and leverages peak power technology to tackle heavy or wet snow. The unit delivers a 24-inch clearing width and a 20-inch intake height, enabling it to handle deep snow and wide driveway. The machine is self-propelled with adjustable speed and trigger-controlled steering, which makes maneuvering much easier compared to push-only blower. You also get 200-degree chute control so you can direct where the snow is thrown, plus adjustable skid shoes and handle height for customizing operation. When equipped with two recommended 7.5 amp-hour or larger batteries, the blower can clear a driveway for many cars. Manufacturer claims up to 18-car driveway in some configurations in a single session. Built with heavy-duty steel and composite materials, it's designed to survive tough winter conditions. Westinghouse WS-Now 18 Cordless Snowblower. The Westinghouse WS-Now 18 is a cordless snowblower built to clear sidewalks, decks, porches, driveways, and other paved surfaces with convenience and efficiency. It uses a 1200-watt brushless motor and a durable rubber-tipped steel auger. This combination clears an 18-inch wide, 10-inch deep path per pass, moving up to 650 pounds of snow per minute. The blower throws snow up to about 20-25 feet away through a 180-degree adjustable chute, giving you flexibility in where you deposit cleared snow. It comes with two 24-volt 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries and a dual-port fast charger that fully charges the batteries in roughly 1.8 hours. That makes the WS-Now 18 cord-free, lightweight, quieter, and far easier to maneuver and maintain than traditional gas-powered blowers. An LED light helps when clearing snow in low-light conditions. Overall, this blower is a solid choice if you need a portable, easy-to-use snow remover for driveways, decks, sidewalks, or small yards, especially if you value convenience, lower maintenance, and the flexibility of cordless operation. The Etoolab cordless snowblower is designed to provide a battery-powered, hassle-free alternative to traditional snowblowers, offering convenience and portability for residential snow-clearing tasks. While publicly available details are more limited compared to major brands, the unit is advertised to deliver brushless motor performance, which generally means efficient, low-maintenance operation, good torque for clearing snow, and longer motor life compared to brushed types. As a cordless blower, the Etoolab model aims to clear snow from driveways, sidewalks, decks, porches, and other similar surfaces without the need for cords or gas, making it easier to store and use. The brushless mechanism combined with a snow-throwing auger and chute should allow users to move snow a reasonable distance away, helping maintain clean walkways and driveways after snowfalls. Given typical design for such products, you can expect the Etoolab blower to support adjustable chute direction for controlled snow discharge, and a clearing width suited for walkways and small to medium driveway. The cordless design improves maneuverability and reduces maintenance. Because details from public spec sheets are sparse, if you choose this blower, it's wise to check exact battery requirements and runtime to ensure it meets your expected snow clearing needs. Voltask Cordless Snow Shovel. The Voltask Cordless Snow Shovel is a compact, battery-powered snow clearing tool designed for lighter-duty tasks such as clearing small patios, walkways, decks, or porches, where a full-sized snowblower might be overkill. As a shovel-style snow remover, it emphasizes portability, ease of use, and quick deployment rather than raw power. This tool typically uses a brushless motor for efficient operation and lower maintenance, combined with a directional plate or chute to discharge snow some distance away from the cleared path. The cordless design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces where large snowblowers cannot fit. Because of its lightweight, compact build, the Voltask shovel works best for shallow to moderate snow layers, ideal for regular maintenance, light snowfalls, or clearing steps, walkways, and smaller driveways. That makes it a practical option for homeowners who want quick, convenient clearing without the complexity or bulk of larger snowblowers. As with many light-duty cordless snow shovels, runtime and snow throwing distance will likely be more limited than heavy-duty blowers, so it's best used for smaller areas or lighter snow rather than deep drifts or large driveways. Litheli 2x20-volt cordless snowblower. The Litheli 2x20-volt cordless snowblower is a compact, battery-powered snow removal tool aimed at homeowners needing a convenient, cord-free solution for small to medium-sized snow clearing tasks. According to manufacturer information, this tool effectively clears relatively narrow paths, for instance, a 13-inch path with about a 6-inch cutting depth per pass, making it especially suited for stairs, sidewalks, patios, porches, and tight corners where larger snowblowers cannot navigate easily. Because it uses a 20-volt lithium-ion battery system, the Litheli blower is lightweight and easy to handle. Great for quick snow removal jobs without heavy lifting or complex setup. Its compact form factor makes storage easier and handling simpler, especially in smaller homes or apartments. While not as powerful as larger two-stage blowers, the Litheli's portability and ease of use make it a practical choice for routine snow clearing on walkways, small driveways, decks, and around the house. Given its design focus, it's best suited for light to moderate snow rather than heavy, deep snowdrift. Overall, this blower offers a handy balance of convenience, portability, and sufficient clearing power for everyday winter maintenance. Ideal if you want a simple, efficient tool without the bulk of a full-size snowblower. Thanks for watching. If you found the list helpful, hit like and subscribe for more clear, practical gear guides. Drop a comment with the cordless snowblower you are leaning toward, or any questions you want answered. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.